Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2017 Dodge Challenger 5.7 doing a water pump. Most of these bolts in here are going to be 13s. All of these around here, except for you got this one here, it's 15, and this one here a 10 to take this pipe out of the way. Most of the time you end up to screw and unscrew your coolant temperature sensor. I would also recommend replacement thermostat while you're here, so that's what we are doing. So cheating way, so there are multiple different bolt sizes on here, lengths. So what I do is when I take one out, I just put it in the corresponding spot to the new one, and then same thing, transfer bolts over to the old one. So when we install the new one, just zip, 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 and then no fuss, no muss, piece of pie. Take off idler pulley right down here, so you gain access to the two bolts there. Taking off your belt tensioner right here, taking access to this bolt here and one down here. So you can always look at your new pump and just see all the orientation of where all the bolts and stuff go. Other than that, there's not too much to it. Make sure you bleed out the air and such like that once the coolant is done. Torque specs on this, just good and tight. Don't over tighten it because this is aluminum. It doesn't need to be stupid tight. Any questions, comments, please feel free, let me know.